We're changing the way that we manage materials and waste to protect the environment for future generations. If not managed properly, used tyres and large batteries can cause harm to the environment through fires and toxic emissions. Product stewardship schemes are part of our plan to build a low-carbon, circular economy. This means that manufacturers, sellers and users of tyres and large batteries will play their part to make sure that they don't end up in landfills or the environment at the end of their life. Product stewardship schemes for tyres and large batteries have been co-designed with industry and other stakeholders to make sure it works for them as well as for the environment. Last year, the government declared 6 priority products for product stewardship. This year, the government's consulting on tyres and large batteries. Next year, we'll consult on the next group of priority products.
Many old tyres end up in landfill or are illegally dumped. This poses a risk of fire, causing toxic emissions and leachate. The product stewardship scheme for tyres is called TireWise. For this scheme to work, we need regulation so that everyone will play their part. Many tyre users already pay a fee for tyre disposal. This will be managed better to ensure proper collection and recycling. Old tyres will be collected and processed to make something new, like flooring, or as a replacement for coal as fuel. When you're finished with your old tyre, you'll be able to leave it at the tyre shop, or you can take it to a collection site where it will be recycled for free.
Now is the time to set up an effective circular system to refurbish and recycle large batteries. Transitioning to a low-carbon economy requires major increases in renewable energy and electric vehicles. Both rely on large batteries. If large batteries end up in landfill or the environment, toxins such as heavy metals would be released into the environment. We're being proactive and acting before large batteries become waste. The Battery Industry Group, also known as BIG, has designed a scheme for used or end-of-life batteries so they can be part of a circular economy. We need regulations to make this work, so the cost of reuse and recycling will be paid on manufactured and imported large batteries in a fair and cost-effective way. This means when you've finished with your large battery, there'll be a system to collect and manage it that won't cost you, the consumer, at point of collection. This way, your battery can be given a second life to power houses, offices, or even boats, or be properly recycled at end of life.
The government is consulting on regulations to make these product stewardship schemes work. Have your say before the 16th of December. Everyone has a role to play to reduce waste and its impact on the environment.